Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by signing into the Google account you'll use. This ties permissions and autosave to your profile. Once logged in, open Slides. Google.com or click the Slides icon from the Google Apps grid in the top right. Make sure you choose the correct account if you have multiple. Then click the plus blank thumbnail to create or select a recent file from Drive. This gets you into the editor immediately so you can begin adding content and setting up your layout. Once your presentation is open, you'll often need to find, organize, or share it. Use Drive's search bar with the file name or owner to locate other slides. Apply filters for type or date modified. To collaborate, click Share and add emails or get a shareable link. Choose Viewer, Commenter, or Editor roles deliberately. Incorrect roles create access problems. If sharing broadly, set link restrictions or expirations. Make sure to confirm collaborators can open the file before making major edits. Finish by launching present mode or use presenter view to see notes and control timing. Click the present icon or press Ctrl plus F5. If you need offline access, enable it in Drive settings or install the appropriate Google app so files are cached. And if something goes wrong, first confirm you're signed into the right account, then verify sharing permissions and network connectivity. Disable browser extensions that block scripts and try a private window. If issues persist, reload or open the file from Drive directly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.